Girl, I just died in your arms tonight. Didn't even try to escape. I just died in your arms tonight. I knew I should've walked away.
Mr. Worldwide, Jax Jones, Joe Curry, Jason Derulo. History in the making. I wanna rock you all night long. I see those Chico bitters in that see-through shirt, and you know what you're doing is wrong. Hey, you girl with the lights up skirt, keep doing what you do, turning me on. Hey, you girl with the lights up skirt, let me see your thong, da thong, thong, thong. I wanna kiss it and try it, lick, and bite it, slip it and slide it and leave you sleepy like batting.
Girl, you're out of my league, yeah. You don't even notice. Girl, I just died in your arms tonight. I didn't even try to escape. I just died in your arms tonight. I knew I should've walked away. I should've just walked away. I should've just walked away. Guess you never know when your time is. Wanna spend all my beats with your sheets, 'cause only you can revive me. You know exactly how I need your body on me, yeah. Both our bodies are free here. Girl, you're out of my league, yeah. You don't even notice. Girl, I just died in your arms tonight. I didn't even try to escape. I just died in your arms tonight. I knew I should've walked away. Yeah, should've just walked away. I should've just walked away.
This dance is called Tonight It Rocks, choreographed by the Musk, Hadisubroto, Fiona Hadisubroto, Guyton Mundy, Whitehouse, McKeever, Lynn, and Niels Poulsen. It's a 48 count, 2-wall, phrased intermediate to the advanced level line dance. The part A 16 counts, part B 32 counts in this dance. The dance sequence is A-A-B-B, A-A-B-B, A-A ending. Now let me go over part A. Part A has 16 counts, 2 walls, nightclub. Section 1 starting with right foot, nightclub basic, side, behind cross. Side, open your arms to the side, contract your upper body. Tick your body 3 times, make a quarter turn to your left, tick, 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 and hug your body facing 9. Push off from your left foot to your right, left foot, rock back, recover. Run around, full turn to your left, step in, left, right, left, right, left, sweep your right. Section 2, cross, quarter turn right, back facing 12, rock back, cross your arms in front of your chest, on wall 1, 3, 5. Recover, full turn to your left, half turn left back, half turn left forward, figure right foot back, step right foot forward, pivot quarter turn left, cross facing 9, quarter turn right, step left foot back, half turn right, forward, forward. This is part A. With the counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and Now let me go over part B. Part B has 32 counts, 2 walls, funky. Section 1, starting with right foot, syncopated side rocks. Side rock, recover together, side rock, recover together. Heel switches, right heel forward, together, left heel forward, together. Hit your right knee slightly, big step, back, slide your left. Section 2, bow step, right foot forward, quarter turn to your left, rock to the left, facing 9, rock to the right, rock to the left, rolling vine to your right. Quarter turn right forward, half turn right back, quarter turn right, big step, side, slide your left, facing 9 o'clock. Section 3, bow step, cross, bending knees, curve, pin walk, half turn to your left. Step in, left, right, left facing 430, 1/8 left, step right foot to the side, and both arms in pray position. Rotate, quarter turn, and then fingers connect together like this. And then move to the left, angle body to the left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section forward, cross point, arm to the right, point to the side, arm to the left. Shuffle, quarter turn to your right, side together, quarter turn right, facing 6, left foot, point forward, point to the side, together, right foot, point to the side, hitch. With counts for part B. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.